Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you a deep and serious report from South Sudan, a country still struggling with peace, trust and justice. What we are sharing today is not just politics, it is not just court cases, and it is not just international statement. It is about power, fear, suffering, and the voices of ordinary people who continue to pay the price. Today we will talk about 4 major developments. First, President Salva Kiir has made change in the government, removing opposition ministers. Second, a human rights group say young people in Juba are being arrested, abused, and forced into military service. Third, Western embassies have condemned an order affecting humanitarian vehicles in Jonglei State, while the opposition give a strong response. And finally, the court case linked to the Nazra attack continues, with shocking testimony involving Dr. Machar and 7 accused. Before we proceed with this update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Kiir removed opposition ministers. On January 7, 2026, South Sudan President Salva Kiir announced a mini-government reshuffle. This announcement was made through a presidential decree aired on state television. In simple terms, President Salva Kiir removed several ministers and appointed new ones. Most of the ministers who were removed belonged to the SPLM-IO, the main opposition party formed after the civil war. This party was led by first Vice President Dr. Machar and the Commander-in-Chief of the SPLM-IO, who is currently detained and facing serious charges in Juba. So, who was removed? President Salva Kiir removed ministers from important positions, including federal affairs, mining, energy and dam, and gender, child, and social welfare. These are not small roles. They affect land, resources, electricity, children, and women. So why does this matter? Under the 2018 peace agreement, government positions were shared between former enemies to keep peace. But now, many see this reshuffle as a political message. President Salva Kiir now recognizes a breakaway group of the SPLM-IO led by Stephen Parkour instead of the group loyal to first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Well, this is split up and after Dr. Machar was detained in March 2025. The government say this step is needed to move forward with the peace agreement, prepare for election plan for December 2026. But critics say something very different. They say this move is pushing Dr. Riek Machar supporter out of power one by one. A respected civil society leader, Edmund Yakani, has raised serious concern. He warned that this split inside the opposition could increase political tension, create confusion in peace monitoring bodies, and lead to another collapse like the one in 2016. He reminded the country that history is repeating itself. And when history repeats in South Sudan, the people suffer first. Let's move on. Youth arrest and abuse in Juba. Now we turn to disturbing report released in January 2026 by Human Rights Watch. This report focuses on what has been happening in Juba, the capital city. So what is happening? Since June 2025, security forces have been arresting young boys and men, detaining young women, holding people without clear charges. These arrests were said to be part of a campaign against criminal gangs. But according to the report, many innocent youths were caught So, what did victims say? Victims and families told Human Rights Watch that detainees were beaten, some were tortured, women were sexually abused, families were forced to pay money for release. Some young men were even taken to military camp outside Juba. There they were allegedly forced to work, forced to fight, treated like property, not human. Some families still do not know where their loved ones are. So why did this start? In June 2025, a shocking video spread online showing the gang rape of a 16-year-old girl in Juba. The video caused anger across the country. The government responded with heavy security operation, but instead of justice, many say the response became collective punishment. The law is clear. South Sudan law and international law clearly said you cannot arrest people randomly. You cannot torture detainees. You cannot recruit children into army group. Human Rights Watch is calling for immediate release of unlawfully detained people, investigation of abuses, and accountability for those responsible. Because without justice, violence only grows. Let's move on. Humanitarian vehicle controversy. Now let us move to Jonglei State, where another serious issue is unfolding. According to the report, several Western embassies, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Japan, Norway, Switzerland, and Netherlands, issued a joint statement condemning an alleged order by an SPLA-IO commander. They say Major General John Luke Bayek ordered humanitarian organizations to hand over their vehicles. Why is this serious? Humanitarian vehicles are used to deliver food, transport medicine, reach flood-affected areas, help displaced families. The embassy say taking these vehicles put aid workers at risk, violates international humanitarian laws, and block life-saving assistance. They demanded immediate reversal of the order and return of all seized vehicles. Well, however, the SPLM-IO strongly rejected the accusation. They said Western countries should first condemn themselves. According to them, the Juba government has used UN-marked vehicles and planned for military purposes. This is a violation of neutrality. This put a position area at risk. They argue that the real issue is not seizure, but the misuse of humanitarian symbol for war. This raises a very serious question. Can humanitarian aid remain neutral in a deeply divided war? Let's move on. Nazra attack and court testament. Finally, we turn to special court in Juba, where the Nazra attack case continues. We talk about this. Well, this can involve Dr. Machar, 7 other accused persons, charges including murder, terrorism, and crime against humanity. So what happened in court? A witness by the name Mayen Kolchan testified about an event in March 2025. He was a bodyguard to the late General David Majudak, who was killed during the Nazra attack. The witness told the court that Dr. Machar called General Majur and asked him to surrender. Majur refused. After refusal, orders were given to hand over weapons. The witness also said his family paid $6,000 for his release. He was detained by SPLA-IO forces. He later traveled to Juba. Well, let's look at the defense questioned. Dr. Machar lawyer challenged the testimony, questioned control of areas, questioned identity in photos, questioned communication details. The case remained tense and highly political. Why this matter? This trial is not just legal. This trial is very important. It is shaping the future of opposition politics, the legitimacy of election, the narrative of the war. Many South Sudanese fear the court is being used as a political weapon, while others said justice must be served. Final thought, a nation is still waiting. As we close today's report, one truth remains clear. South Sudan is still searching for peace, Past struggle continue, young people suffer, aid access is contested, and justice remains disputed. The question is not only who control government, but also who protect the people. Until leaders choose unity over power and justice over revenge, the cycle will continue. This is Changfied News. We tell the stories others fear to tell. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new here, hit the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. To kon keler bu kon ling kwaseme katin kon lat korodien. Kan konun ya mi jiram jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjen ojin der channel der je support. Ko mi tem ci bray dar sho mala ci bëkji bana je tok. Man yam man bana writing bana write ke men chalata Kiir me yadit Kiir shenete kontil SPLIO opposition ministers check a watch. Ka chang baro ka paikel ronkin dangro jandangro bakel ci South Sudan President Salva Kiir me yadit she ministry nete bombom chaka George Ray Kuma. President Salva Kiir me yadit characha K State Television ka jan chang baro ka paikel ronkin dangro jandangro dich ano she presidential decree shajalat ke chana cheka watch. President Salva Kiir me yadit che ministry nying SPLIO tungwan cheka jochre kwaradian. Kanir kona chajo gwasa me kanir kola SPLIO tentipin first by President Dr. Machaten. And party SPLIO ngai kondiale me dane chagaje ka kwikure dane chitu kola civil war. SPLIO ramdan la kwere Dr. Machar. Kajo chalar gwas minute kone chajo chila minister ringing SPLIO tandien let ken ka federal affair tandien let ken ka mining tandien let ken ka energy and dam tandien let ka gender and social welfare nere tie cha ka wo kwara kan goten kontikten by the way ka got bom chi got tiene no ku kuje moni wa chala do ne ke jen won kin dang rol badde dane chamal cha tange ja shikume Kiir me yadit kana kuma da kuma char chikana agree ano ba power sharing ba jalat no bigo ngwan dial bigen ka nywaken ba tem je jojo gwan wo ne na ne re konta ji tela ji SPLIO tenche jan tenche ren wo ka da kuma char chit ke Stephen Parkol e cha kwan line team chairman re wi ka juba me cha da kuma cha yen ka fay dok won kin daro jandang ro dich antama Stephen Parkol ka ne ka no ka mone Kiir me yadit kene da to tenche jan ka kuma da kuma char wakane den content kwa user teme Kiir amichit kana mo wa beritu wan bakan ngre wike South Sudan lar kuma jen wonene en mu be chikana laden wo ken SPLIO iwo banaro de realika ka kwin kwarmen balat ka jen ron kindang ro jandang ro bakale me ka pai wero dino ne ngwalat ken wonene michit kana me anyo jen one de al kontila Dr. Machar supporter ki ka kuma de baka weekend deal one by one men mi chig tukrar nyen do ban ki plan da latke kuma Kiir me yadi so chanyo lat gwan an wona na bani edmun yakane jen jaram da la civil society leader lam lot ke long la jor la mala tobe edmun yakane chela do wona na nte joja gwan wo connecting konti la ne Dr. Machar no ka yos connecting content cha Dr. Machar tin pa jen ka Dr. Machar kan la user lo kan bidew kan bit kwar mo ke kan be mala da no yala do na nyu de gwano South Sudan betere ko ne me ajene ko confusion wan ko ka create ko betel chebete kan china bete ka lian ka nyok ne de kon la peace monitor board ste kwa mala tan ba ka confuse ko ne de ngai kan Dr. Machar ajene mi chena me be kor mi chit ke me da na chitok ke 2016 ron kin darol bakel be nyom tore wi ke juba so mi nyunu ajene story nyokoro da kam nyokoro ko anta mi joy gawo chane dial konin pin Dr. Machar first by president cha ka lo watch la lo nong no parkol la ramadan chiro do wo ka kuma SPLIO pin Dr. Machar wana me bakoron wan bekano so na me mele roda awana ga jom chalat gwasame ware wi ku juba ngwane te tiene kap ko keten kuma report mi chala da me a human right na me a human right report ke kuin ngwane tin kono kap ko ate ga jom chalat ke jen pai kele me ron kin daro jen dangro di bakel ne den kono chal ke human right watch tin dier ke ting nene te tiene amen ne dia kana shi ga report jikan jigan onene rai wiki juba ka capital city dung South Sudan wa ga da tiene tin kwiru ken kapka e tong ga jen pai bakale da ron kin da ro jen dang ro bakal gwa de cha security forces jaga la rai wiki South Sudan ke ga juba ano ba ngene di alba ka kap kana wune ngwan kon kana ne di wa ba dil kap kan wunda to ka nyok bana wa kap ka men la rana kap ko baji yen ka tele der mi shidir bad bay lat lwa yena baname awa a campaign milat kene je kum South Sudan ka gwase dan no te kene la criminal la gangs te chare la kare ke juba la na naka ka mai kana nyok ka toy kana bo toy kan gwar to na mo je ne chala no e kum South Sudan e sheme je che yu kan ko bo ngane ti baga ka bane de ti watandien kap ka dwai ka ke ripodan chano je human right kan la rana kap ko baje dwai mi je tanin wa chaga torture member wa kap ko kapin anyok kane ko la family sin chane ken chaga kap wa ju kuma ken wo yor yopin mi ken yu kan yor pin cha gadu ke nyaaru cha jabulun wa tang ngane ban chaga nan kor chaga nan military camp outside Juba teacher utere wiki Juba ko meran chane lingun tana cha nan ka apanal kene ti tila ngande tiene wa ka use ke kwa ga force wo biga let ka wa force na nga ko ru ga nyin ke kuma spela yo ke kan ware wa kan changa ke chet ka kwak cha ga changa la na anyok kan re wiki Juba ba ne de kon ta ga gat kin de che ba re wiki Juba wa ku kan gwa dan te gat kin te ga tenen wale ko gat kin cha ga nan kor ka kwai ka direction na cha nan tin ka do me kan man ken ke gwana ken kan kan ngai ke ja ka jen pai bakale dan ronkin dar yendang ro diech ka men ya me chora la dio je te ga video mi shani na online wan mo te nyam to rundang wal bakel mi yos ke gang ne ke ko kan rep na mani ring mi dir ne chala shocking ne diare wi ka South Sudan ka ta da ne cha gwar nyam to run wal bakel ja je yus ka je ngane ana mo chune ru ngalo den je ka chwa goro ba ngwen ba ka kef ka chwa e security operation chwa la re wi ka juba jen tu ngwan dia le kap na ka ngai kon dia lare ngoni South Sudan law amani international law bane chala ga onu ne cha china de per ko te ram cha yen no ki en ram cha je go ba je yen te la dor mi chala nyok chala do cha ran cha de to cheba gwa da na cha je detention ke cha je captain ba ile wicin ejecten anyok man chala bo wa cha gan to cha de ke wo de ka ka bom aba la re de ne ka ku mo human right watch chot kan wo ne ane diala content cha yen unlawfully ki kamisha ngot ki telm jami kana la akalo nya kan diala ram cha di 10 da wiki juba chikan la do alonke anyok investigation alar ka jiga kwinen ko ne a chenga jek mi ram cha yen ga ya chenga jek ti ka family den wo de ken case de ken lebone ka kuma anyok ti ken ete konan te ka long te lat ka ti jori lot bone within kuma ba ano goru yeno ba accountability ba je ti ka kan responsible dan je kan la let ko bikan mi cheno mo bikan lat ko do ma kan ngaja kwa so ne me janan che ro da la no ngane kap ka rewi ki juba kan ka kor report den gwazin be lam dana cha no ji humanitarian te jo mi chala do ji humanitarian kan cha to bilgin cha kap ko jongle state kuma SPLA ayo chi western universities ke ne reconnaissance ala international community ala embassy ne ken chit ke United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Japan, Norway, Switzerland, the Netherlands kan chicken statement mi chigari alaka kel kan dial chicken warga ikana gor a chicken ta dana cha torbiyel ken kap wi chicken condemn kan chiji SPLA yo chicken torbiyel chicken de kap torbiyel tin ko la nyen jios you can kuma SPLA mayo ne en odor cha to bone kwa je reverse ki wojeje chicken la do ne right chala de Major General John Luke Bayek no a cha odor cha to kan ni ko da humanitarian organization no biga torbiyel ken bikana kam kuma SPLA yo chala na me shim go ko kan humanitarian titi ki humanitarian vehicle la torbiyel ken la nan kan kon gonatin kon chui natin la nan kan wal gon kon chui natin en gwad mi che nyoch wutin bokke chui natin biga torbiyel ken nantin bikan nay to bikan ko lok kala lok ne ti ala kon ya joje ko rike cha joje nyoch so chinere content let ki versus ke kan invest into date pai kon shoot ken pai kon link kan let yen ne ti tela lat ken it kon chuch mo yen kerik ko shagwan o dayen kwa katodin ka kep but gwasa mete misha kula loch ko chiji humanitarian skene western embassy kala no jas fela yo lonya ka torbele di alato ana chi opposition chi ka respond ki as fela yo ka jo machalat aken jas fela yo kanene kanene they strongly reject accusation dana chalat aken embassy entity aken nene gana kan torbele ti la je nyingi humanitarian yos ka ke kuma South Sudan ke kuma kirmi yadi la moy ken vehicle bikana moy ke UN mark vehicles kare da tenemitin ka militaries no biga ben ka kan torbele to la je UN den ga kore bablim na amach jenna mo a violation of neutrality mi yos ke UN vehicles ko ban opposition ba ka ma ka ken mo chechong no akane purpose dan anti humanitarian they can la de na they can look but no ku kan it content la the government ku kan de ni kele la non canadian ba na binak kan jen do bana kam ne ka chonga ikala do ne shiu cha turbiyele cha ka but the misuse dan lat ke humanitarian symbol en ke kwa ken kwa use ke ja ji asfela yo kan lose kan humanitarian along but problem jena ken ne kon yos ko torbiyele chicken humanitarian e kume kirme yadit lalet kan meyrede ka deyrede kan ne kon la dini ko ngene no ci asfela yo chicken humanitarian vehicle chicken be barka chicken be le but after that chicken tiaga yo bat je ba blada kan en do bidana chala de asfela yo kap kan ga chonga je chiwo kap kan ke in full no chicken la chicken de la den ke lo kana bat ta dan yo ke kume kirme yadit Jordan gwazin bala ler che calling no ka kwi first by president Nazra char ka luga dan cha luga Nazra char ka ne dang baro cha chaga ka chairman chana ngach wuri chal ka mayen call chan jen je testify ka court ka jen kori dan chi to ka pai diok jen ne bodyguard dung Gerald David Majudak an chanak we ka nasa ga wase dan jen jana jogo no ne Nazra char ka ne Gerald Majur tekan ka communication jen chi Nazra char se Gerald Majudak ya jogo no jen ku surrender match ku ka nyangu dial teje tomne ka ku surrender chela do she majur jogo no nyangu dial tomne ka den ba jikut ba inang guje dana ngiten ke juba namo michalat anyok she witness me michal ka mayan che nyaw rajen wone na janam gwase dan che she mane che yuri kinda makale kan yorpin ko ba jikur release janam gwade dan cha captain ke cha detain kuma spila yo janaka kore cho jien cho ka juba ka dol shal ka pagak ci defend lo yer ci kan tej ka ta danen len ngaru din keje ci kan tej ka ta danen pagak mini de ko control ka ji SSPDF KSP la yo ci nyo tej bon o ke tour ya la no mi tour de jin la to ke ci jin ci nyo tej bo ka quick communication ka ta danen to keje en case mi tene me ngode bay nyoko mo gor keje ka gwasen be ko ta de yon yam name agenda nan dongoro de nywa kon kel gatin ko lat ko den mi jiram jidit gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel goro jin bi Changfied bi support bi subscribe bi notification bar je twan committee mi break bi shamal shukje ya tega mal